we finally have the first Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box Deluxe spoilers. This is also just the first spoiler we've seen. This is the only variation we have so far, so there could be completely other variations. We just don't know yet. If there are more, I will update more as much as I can. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope you stick around. If you're a returning viewer, clicker, subscriber, OG, thank you a little bit extra. Merry Christmas Eve, Merry Christmas Eve for those who celebrate, for people who celebrate other things or don't celebrate at all. I just hope you're having a wonderful, happy December. As happy as we can, right? But today just got even happier. Is that a word? Today is more exciting because we finally have the first Jeffree Star Winter Mystery Box Deluxe spoilers. I will leave all my other videos linked up above in the cards and down below. This is on a playlist. If you've missed any of the other spoilers, we have a bunch of variations and spoilers for the mini, the premium, and the supreme. So if you're curious and that's what you ordered, definitely check out those videos. And if you're here for the deluxe spoilers, I am just gonna get into it. Real quick, I did just film this Christmas makeup look. I'm gonna be editing and uploading this video first, of course, because it's time sensitive. But after and later on today, I am going to be uploading the tutorial on this look as well as another Christmas look, like a very neutral glam kind of look. And you could also easily pair this with a red lip, but I was too excited and I just needed to film this part of the video. So, and I wanted to keep the eyes like the spicy part, you know? If you don't know, I will be doing a giveaway as well. I ordered the premium and the deluxe box. They are on their way to me. I don't know when they're getting here, but I will be doing a giveaway with the items that I receive after I unbox them. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can enter that giveaway. When I do my unboxing video, I will announce the giveaway and the rules and everything in that video. So let's get into the spoilers. I'm so excited. Thank you. My Twitter is still blowing up. My Instagram DMs have flooded. I don't know this girl's name because I'm not sure this girl's name, but it's LXCHEL. I'm so sorry. I don't know this girl's name, but thank you so much. Oh my God, she just sent me more information. Thank you so much, girl. I appreciate it. Oh my God, I'm responding to her right now. Thank you so much. Oh, Mika's thanking you too. I don't know if y'all could hear that. She blew me up. This girl, Gigi, this other person who's been sending me Reddit threads. Like, oh my God, thank you guys. I don't even have time to thank everyone, but thank you for anyone who has been sending me these spoilers this morning. I was in the middle of filming already, so it worked out perfectly so I could have my makeup on and everything. So far, this is the first like variation slash unboxing spoilers that we have. So to start off, we have the Shane and Jeffree lip kit, which some people may find exciting, some people might not. But it comes in a little cute piggy box, which I like. Oh, let me scoot over so you can see that. I'll put the picture here for you. So we have the Shane and Jeffree lip bundle and like the little pig shaped thing, which is super cute. And honestly, that's like a fun thing to just collect. Then we have a shirt, which I will show you other pictures. So instead of a hoodie in the premium, or instead of the hoodie that you got in the deluxe, no, I mean supreme, I think it was, we're getting a white t-shirt. I'll show you another picture of that in a second after we go through everything else. We have the ORGY palette. I can't say it. I feel like my video will get demonetized. I have some thoughts. Again, I'm just gonna ramble these items off and then we'll talk about them. Then I see a velour liquid lip, two velour liquid lip, I think a velvet trap lipstick, a lip gloss, and another velvet lipstick. Hold on. Oh my God, she literally typed it out for me. So there's a Gemini velour liquid lipstick, watermelon soda velvet trap, unicorn blood velour liquid lipstick, mouthful gloss, and then everything else is the Shane collection. So, oh my God, thank you again for everyone who has been sending me all of this stuff. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, which is what we promised. And then the exclusive item is clearly the shirt. So I'll put up a picture of that. Let me grab a picture. So this one looks super cute, honestly. So it's a white shirt. I'll show you the front and the back. The front just has the Jeffree Star logo. It's a long sleeve crew neck shirt. And then it has like the little design on the sleeve. It's like white, blue, and pink. And then on the back, which is actually super cute, we have a snowflake. So I love that. I love his designs on the back. I think they're so freaking cute. So let's get into my thoughts, okay? Ooh, oh my God. All right, now before I get into my thoughts, I feel like I say this in every video, and if I ever miss it, I'm so sorry, but I am so grateful to be purchasing these boxes, okay? I realize I'm in a good position to do so, and it means a lot to me that I'm able to do it, and that's partially why I give back to you guys. You support my channel and you watch these videos and you like these videos for me, and I always try to give back in my giveaway to you guys, okay? So please, if I'm saying I don't like something or ooh, I wish we got something else, it's just makeup. This is just for the fun. It's just my opinion. Would I have liked to get something else? Yes. Or do I love that? Absolutely. It's just a matter of opinion. And this is a mystery box, so we can't be mad at anything that we get in the box, right? But this is just for fun. We always hope for certain things because he hypes these boxes so much, and sometimes we do get such good boxes that it kind of like raises your standards, you know what I mean? So just take everything with a grain of salt, okay? No being mean to each other in the comments, no complaining to each other, okay? This is also just the first spoiler we've seen. This is the only variation we have so far, so there could be completely other variations we just don't know yet. If there are more, I will update more as much as I can. Obviously today is Christmas Eve and tomorrow's Christmas, so I will do my best if we get some more spoilers today and tomorrow. Obviously I'm gonna be with my family and I have a Christmas party tonight, so I'm gonna do my best. But first of all, let's get into the exclusive item, the shirt. I do like the shirt. I think that's great. I would prefer the hoodie, but obviously that's okay. But I do like the shirt. I think it's a nice shirt. We're seeing a lot of the Shane and Jeffree in these boxes. Personally, that doesn't excite me. It may excite some of you. I don't think it's super exciting or bad. When you think about the value, you're getting a ton of lip products. So if you like his lip products, then this is exciting for you. And then the ORGY palette, I almost keep saying it, but I don't want to say it. I didn't pick this palette up. It did not excite me. Maybe I'll feel different when I see it in person. I find that a lot with his palettes. I have to see things in person. Like, they have to get me excited enough online for me to actually purchase them, you know? So if I see them in person, maybe I'll change my mind. Maybe it'll be my brand new neutral palette, especially because I did a huge makeup declutter this year and I want to do another one. And I'm actually kind of lacking in like strict neutral palettes, which are a staple. So who knows, maybe I'll love this. We'll see when I get it. But either way, regardless of how you feel about it, it was one of his most like recent collections. So between that and seeing a Velvet Trap lipstick in there is so exciting. That's probably what I'm most excited about. A Velvet Trap lipstick is like his newest formula, and I'm super excited to see that in the box. I'm amped to try that. I hope I get that. Obviously, if that's in every single box, I would think that he would be putting, if he's putting one Velvet Trap lipstick in one variation, he would put them in all of them, because it's kind of like an exclusive item in a way when you think about it, like such a hyped up new product. I hope he would put it in all of the boxes. And Watermelon Soda is a bright pink, so not super wearable, which is kind of like, but I do like that shade. I actually have that in the Velour liquid lipstick shade, so I'm definitely excited for that. Gemini is a great liquid lipstick. The gloss is like a nice wearable color. Connor just texted me. She said, I can't believe a Velvet Trap. That's exactly what I was just saying. That's weird that she texted me right at that moment. Now we also got Unicorn Blood Velour Liquid Lipstick, which I got in my last box. So I love that red. That actually would be perfect for, it's a great Christmas red. So if you guys get these boxes before Christmas, that would be awesome. That for sure will be going in my giveaway because I already have one. So just a perfect example of once I see what I get, I'll curate the giveaway and then I'll decide like how I want to do that on my channel. So I just really want to edit this video and get it up for you guys so that you guys can see these. Thank you again to everyone who has sent me this photo. I hope we get more. Please, if you get your boxes delivered today, send them to me. Let me know and I will make a video about it, post about it, whatever it may be. Let me know what you guys think of this box. I'm not super excited, I gotta say, just like for me, for my taste. But let me know what you guys think. Would you be happy to receive this box? Would you be upset? Let me know and we'll chat about it. Again, Merry Christmas Eve, and I hope I see you in my video later on today. Thank you guys, love you, bye.